In this lesson, we are going to learn verb parler. Parler is ending with er, so it's belong to first group in French. There are total 3 different group. First, that is er. Second, that is ir, and third, that is re and unregular verb. So today we are going to learn first group er verb parler. And if you learn properly how to conjugate verb parler, er verb, then definitely you can conjugate more than 500 er verb, which is belong to first group. Are you ready? Let's go. Now look at the table of subject, conjugation, pronunciation, and meaning. So how to conjugate verb parler with different subject? Je parle. Je parle. Tu parles. Tu parles. Il parle. Il parle. Elle parle. Elle parle. Nous parlons. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Vous parlez. Il parle. Il parle. Elle parle. Elle parle. Now, whenever you want to conjugate verb of first group which is ending with er, what you have to do simply just drop er of each verb, and then you have to add according to the subject. For example, with you, e. With you, e. With you, es. With you, es. With il and el, e. Okay? Il and el, e. With nous, o and s. With nous, o and s. With vous, ez. With vous, ez. And with il and el, plural, ent. Ent. Now take any first group of French verb like marcher, regarder, parler, we already seen, écouter, voler, faire. Just drop er and conjugate as I said, e, es, e, ons, ez, ent and ent. Now let's make some sentences with verb parler. First, je parle français. Je parle français. Tu parles anglais. Tu parles anglais. Nous parlons bien. Nous parlons bien. Vous parlez vite. Vous parlez vite. Il parle hindi. Il parle hindi. Now assignment of this lesson is conjugate few verb and make the table. Like verb marcher, écouter, voler, regarder. Simply just drop er and add e, es, e, ons, ez, ent and ent. So after doing this, you will be very clear to conjugate first group of French verb which is ending with er. Alright. See you in the next lesson. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt.